Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur, and I am going to teach you English literature in your 5th class. And today let's start with the 3rd chapter of your 2nd term, that was taken by the monkeys. Previously in 2 chapters you read about how that Mowgli learned the lessons from Bhalu and Bagheera, how to live in the jungle, because he is a human being, he didn't know a ways to live in the jungle. But in this chapter we get the knowledge about how monkeys take him away, snatched from Bhalu and Bagheera, how everything that happens. Let us read. First of all, I am going to explain you the difficult words. Here, first word is grabbed, means snatched. Second word is far and fast. Far and fast means very fast. Warn means alert, to alert anybody regarding anything. Seldom means rarely. And the last one is shower. Shower means falling down of something, whether it is of a water or a nuts. But here in this chapter it related to nuts. So let us start. Page number 20, please open. Mowgli did meet the monkeys and met them in the jungle and saw that they stood on 2 legs like he did. The monkeys thought they were very clever. They gave Mowgli nuts and berries to eat and said that he was their brother and promised to make him their leader one day. What happens? Monkeys want that Mowgli become their leader. They like Mowgli because Mowgli is very expert in different type of talents. And monkeys also like human beings, so they want that Mowgli to be their leader. Both Bhalu and Bagheera knew the monkeys were trouble. Monkeys did not follow the law of jungle and Mowgli had to learn this. They have no leader, they lie, they have always lied. Bhalu was angry as Bagheera. Listen Mowgli, do you know why we didn't taught you any lessons regarding monkeys, any laws regarding monkeys? Did you know why? We will tell you, as monkeys didn't have any rule, nothing to explain regarding monkeys. Monkeys are always without law. Just then a shower of nuts and leaves rained down on their heads. When they are talking like that, immediately what happens? They just feel the shower of nuts on their heads. Rain down on their heads, and this is what the monkeys did to make other jungle animals notice them. They wanted to be the part of jungle and were pleased when Mowgli came to play with them. They want that Mowgli give them knowledge regarding how Mowgli listen the sound of different animals, reptiles, and understand that particular sound of, for example, hiss of sound. He listen the hiss of sound and he know what that particular snake says. He understand the language of animals, and that same thing monkeys want to learn. So here in this picture saw that how monkeys snatch the Mowgli from Bhalu and Bagheera and take him away. Like this, they snatch his leg, catch him from leg, hung him upside down like this, here from tree to tree. But monkeys are very quick in this snatching process. They take him immediately away, far away from Bhalu and Bagheera. And what did they do then? After that, Bhalu woke all the jungle with angry cries. Now Bhalu loved Mowgli too much. He was in a tension, he was in a anger. His angry cries make the all jungle awaken. But the monkeys moved on top of the trees and they traveled far and fast. At first it was exciting for Mowgli to see from miles and miles across the jungle. Firstly, Mowgli as a child enjoyed that thing, that how monkeys hung him upside down from tree to tree, jump here and there. But later he feel little bit nervous in the heart. He looked up and saw Chil the eagle. Who was Chil? Chil. Chil is the name of eagle, flying high in the sky. When Mowgli noticed the Chil, he said, "We are of same blood, you and I." All the time Mowgli say this line to all animals in the jungle. What is the line? Underline this. We are of same blood, you and I. He assumed that he is also the part of jungle like other animals. Monkeys have stolen me, watch the way they take me, tell Bhalu and Bagheera of the council rock. He informed the child that please further inform Bhalu and Bagheera the way, proper way in which the monkeys taken him away. Please guide the way so that they follow me and rescue me afterwards. Child nodded his head to show he understood and then flew higher to follow them. Child too knew the ways of monkey also. They never go far, my friend. They never do what they plan to do. This time they will have trouble with Bhalu and Bagheera. Bhalu and Bagheera were mad with fear and worry that what will happen with their Mowgli, their child. Why didn't you warn the boy, Bhalu? And Bagheera angry on Bhalu. Bhalu, why didn't you give lesson to Mowgli beforehand related to monkeys so that he will save himself from the monkeys? But you cannot run very fast enough. Sit down and think, make a plan. He said that we are now unable to follow him and catch him. Just sit down and let's plan something else to rescue Mowgli. I have got it. What a stupid deer I have been. The monkeys are afraid of Kaa. He said that I have an idea. Let us go to Kaa, as monkeys only feel afraid from Kaa. But who is Kaa? Kaa is a python snake, very big snake. He is very old and clever above all. He is very hungry. When they reached to him, they said him, good hunting, Kaa. All the time they wish or they welcome each other with this dialogue. Good hunting all the time. Kaa was a python, not a poisonous snake. His strength was in his huge body, not in his teeth. In fact, he thought poisonous snakes were cowards. Bhalu and Bagheera found him relaxing on a rock and requested him to go with them in order to rescue Mowgli. He has not eaten and that is good, as if he is hungry, he attack on the monkeys with a more passion. Oh ho Bhalu, what are you doing here? Good hunting, Bagheera. Any good food nearby? I am hungry as can be. He said that I am hungry. He said yes, come with us in order to rescue Mowgli. There are so many monkeys for you for your hunting. Bagheera took his chance to tell Kaa all the terrible things the monkeys said about him. Footless yellow earthworm. He also said that monkeys always tease you with this foolish name, footless yellow earthworm, and immediately Kaa became more angry. They called me that. Something of that kind. He said, there's something of that kind, he said to you. They say you eat only baby goats because you are afraid of anything bigger. Now Python, especially coward, seldom shows his anger, but Bhalu and Bagheera could see that he was very angry now. The two makes two hunters like you follow the monkeys. Bagheera spoke clearly. The trouble is this, Kaa, monkeys have stolen our man cub, Mowgli. There were stories in the jungle about man cub, stories Kaa didn't believe, but Bagheera saw his chance. We know the monkeys were afraid of you, Kaa. He requested to Kaa that please Kaa, go with us. Monkeys only afraid from you. Kaa remembered the name calling and decided to help them. So this made Bhalu proud of his little pupil. Child told them which way to go. Child also tell them the way, and Bagheera knew it was afar. It will take half a night to full speed. We cannot wait for you. Bhalu, follow us, Kaa and I must go. Bagheera said that Bhalu, you are very slow. As all of you know that bears are very slow in walking. They are like a huge body and they are unable to walk fast. So he said that you are not able to cover the distance as me and Kaa. So he said that you will come later. We must go fast in order to rescue monkey. So this is all in this chapter number 3. Thank you.